everybody. Eric Schoenfeld of McCann Industries. Today we're out on site with Conrad. Conrad, thanks so much. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your company?
My company is called CPMH Construction. Basically stands for my initials and my partner's Mike Hope. And we're a multi-faceted, fully capable company that does all scopes of work, civil type, anything from asphalt, concrete, sewer, water, excavation, footings, foundations, and we're at anybody's beck and call that's willing to get the work done right.
That's awesome. We appreciate you having us out here and supporting us. I was talking with Kenny here, and he was talking. You buy a lot of talk from us, and we actually were able to recover one of yours that made it out of the yard. So I don't know if you want to talk a little bit about that.
Oh yeah, I'll bring it up a little bit. Takeuchi is one of my favorite machines for durability and actual power. You can't see over there, but this is one of my job sites, and we got 4 or 5 Takeuchis running conjunctionally. Back in December, we had an incident at a job site on 47th Street in Chicago. Left the machine, blocked it in with the big excavator, left at 3:30, came back the next morning at 7, and it was gone. I mean, all we saw was tracks, obviously mud tracks, from where the machine was and where it had gone into the street and got loaded. So we immediately started obviously panicking, but we thought it out and called McCann, our representative Ken Schmidt from McCann, and said, hey, you got to help us. We just lost a machine that's fairly new, approximately, I believe it was a year old. And I said, is there any way you could track it? In my mind, I remember that Ken telling me that all these machines have a GPS system that can locate them or talk back to McCann and tell them if there's any faults, codes, or anything, So immediately Ken got on the phone. I imagine was it you or
no? He probably called the Bolingbrook branch, and we
called somebody that could help out and actually track that machine, which was literally down the block, approximately a mile down the street, and it was only a matter of calling the police and trying to take it back because we found it in a backyard a mile away. But to be on the safe side, we didn't jump in it and take it. We waited for the police and everything to get properly processed, and we took our machine back with the help of obviously McCann, Ken Schmidt, and all his fellow technicians out there that helped us locate it through GPS.
Well, that's I'm glad we were able to find that for you. I mean, that's scary. I mean,
I'm glad. I mean, it's an $80,000 machine that it does a wonderful job on small job sites. It's a mini bulldozer.
One last question. So you've been doing business with us for a while. What keeps you coming back to McCann?
We've been doing about 30 years business with McCann. It's just service, to be honest with you. Their prices are competitive like with everybody else, but there are various locations throughout Chicagoland. You have one right down the street from us, right by Benito Juarez High School. You have one by my house over by 137th, I believe, near Cicero. So it's their availability and service that, if you need whatever it is, a bundle of stakes, a ton of rebar, they're local, they're easily accessible, and if you have a relationship, their prices are reasonable, where you can also compete with the bigger guys that are selling in bulk. So there's nothing to say but service.
That's great, Conrad.
And you got my machine.
Thank you so much. If you guys want to learn more, visit McCannonline.com. We'll see you soon.
Thank you all.